Today, I will be forming a bunch of different letters using my Matman in an envelope. I will be making frog jump capital letters, magic C capital letters, and some sliding down to the end of the alphabet capital letters. Now, let's open up our envelope and see what shapes that we need. Here are all of our pieces. When we are making capital letters, we only actually need a few shapes. We need big lines, big curves, and little lines. I will actually be using Matman's nose as a smiley face up in my top left-hand corner to help me when I form my letters. Let's start with letter F. Remember, we will be doing capital letters today. Big line down, frog jump up, give it a top, give it a middle. Now let's trace it. Big line down, frog jump up, give it a top, give it a middle. Now let's try capital D. We can keep our big line down, but we have to frog jump up, big curve. Big line down, frog jump up, big curve. Good job. Let's try capital B. Big line down, frog jump up, little curve, little curve. Big line down, frog jump up, little curve, little curve. If we take away one little curve, look, we have the capital letter P. Let's trace it. Big line down, frog jump up, little curve. Let's try the letter M. Big line down, frog jump up, side down, side up, straight down. Big line down, frog jump up, side down, side up, straight down. Good job. Now let's move on to some magic C capital letters, which means that we won't be starting at our smiley face anymore. Let's find magic C. Here we are. Magic C starts in the middle and goes towards the smiley face. Magic C. From magic C, we can also make O. Magic C into an O. And then from O, we can also make Q. Magic C into an O, little line on diagonal. Let's trace it one more time. Magic C into an O, little line on diagonal. Now let's try S. Remember, we have to start with magic C, but it's a tinier curve. It's a little curve. So magic C, turn, little curve. Let's trace it one more time. Magic C, turn, little curve. Good job. Let's try the letter H. Big line down, give it a middle. Big line down, give it a middle. Now let's move on to a couple sliding down to the end of the alphabet capital letters. Let's start with V. Side down, side up. Good job. From V, we can actually make W. Watch. Side down, side up. Do it again. Let's try X. This is our last one for today. Side down, side down. Let's trace it one more time. Side down, side down. Good job working on some capital letters today, guys. Bye.